Hi there, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from David Sklar and Associates.
In this video, we'll chat about something that often comes up with our clients, how to break out of the paycheck-to-paycheck trap.
According to a study done by the Canadian Payroll Association, 52% of people said they were living paycheck to paycheck. At David Sklar and Associates, we often see the stress this causes our clients and the damage it can do to a family.
The uncertainty puts pressure on finances, causes debts to be incurred, and can destroy relationships. Living paycheck to paycheck can be a trap, and it can seem like there's no way out, especially when you're carrying excessive debt load. We often see the stress and damage that living with this kind of balancing act can cause.
Some people are able to break out of the pattern by budgeting, cutting expenses, taking a second job, and not using credit. But for many, their debt is too much to deal with. They are simply unable to repay all of their debt and get out of the paycheck-to-paycheck trap.
The government recognizes there are times when people are simply too far in debt to reasonably get out on their own. To help people caught in this situation, they have set up the bankruptcy and consumer proposal processes. Most people are familiar with bankruptcy, but many haven't heard about consumer proposals.
In Ontario, only licensed insolvency trustees like David Sklar and Associates can file and administer consumer proposals. A consumer proposal is a legally binding arrangement to pay off a portion of unsecured debt.
These agreements usually result in monthly payments spread out over a period of up to 5 years. In exchange, the assets of the person filing are protected from the unsecured creditors, and the creditors agree to stop all collection efforts and stop interest charges. To help the debtor avoid future problems with debt, part of the proposal requires them to attend credit counseling.
If you're stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck trap and you're worried about your debt, call us at David Sklar and Associates for a free consultation.
Our team of professionals will review your finances and discuss all your options for getting out of debt and moving on with your life. And if you want more information about bankruptcy and consumer proposals in Toronto, check out the other videos on our channel.
Please leave your questions about consumer proposals in the comments below and click subscribe to get notified when we post new videos about bankruptcy and consumer proposals.